The leaders and supporters of the Umroid Constituency Progressive Forum held a meeting at Roy Birthi yesterday, and they decided to dissolve the forum and extend their support to the Congress candidate. The meeting was attended by key Ucpf leaders, including President Pinskemlang Sotun, Vice President, General Secretary and others. Speaking after the meeting, Sotun clarified the reasons behind the decision and confirmed that they will support the Congress candidate MD Syiem, who has received the Congress ticket.
Panadu kanegasi kebamata ya Umroid Constituency Progressive Forum lapun kutno yaka bangi ong kawai ka pat kekentin kelong la dissolve no tumut nani sikmat kanega forum kujungi ka kamdon syu apo kanega juk kalama akan yat pat syakawai ka benta pat yui pat ki political party te kat kum karai jong ka executive committee jong ka forum hi ba kanega forum kan lej no sien ban penyeso pat ka party congress apo jong ka Umroid constituency.